Hello Sportyfriends admins. In this video I will show you how to create your pages into two different languages. First, we find a page that we want to translate. We then click on the edit sign. Once you are in the edit mode, we select the language we want the page to be translated into. I choose English, and then I will just Google Translate the About page into English. You then copy and paste the text into the box. Sometimes when you copy a text, it comes out in an odd font. You then just have to highlight the text and click on the button with a big T and a small X on it. We then click on Update and your page will be translated.